Welcome to Science Deciphered, your go-to destination for all the latest developments and breakthroughs in the world of science. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most exciting science events to watch for in 2023 recommended by the journal Nature. So, if you're a science enthusiast or simply curious about the latest trends in research and innovation, then you've come to the right place. But before we dive into today's content, I'd like to ask you to help support our channel by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified whenever we upload new content. So, without further ado, let's get started and explore some of the most groundbreaking developments in science and technology in the year ahead. First on the list, following the successful deployment of mRNA vaccines during the COVID-19 pandemic, a host of next-generation vaccines are in development. BioNTech is expected to initiate first-in-human trials for mRNA vaccines against malaria, tuberculosis, and genital herpes in the coming weeks, while others are investigating the possibility of delivering COVID-19 vaccines using fast-acting nasal sprays. Second on the list, advanced stargazing is also set to be a major theme in 2023, with a number of exciting missions planned. The Euclid Space Telescope, developed by the European Space Agency, is set to launch in 2023 and will capture photos to create a 3D map of the universe, while the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile is due to start taking images in July, and the Xinjiang Katai Radio Telescope in China will be switched on. These missions will provide us with unprecedented insights into the mysteries of the universe. Next up, the World Health Organization is expected to publish a revised list of priority pathogens. Around 300 scientists will review the evidence on more than 25 viral and bacterial families to identify pathogens that could potentially cause future outbreaks. Research and development roadmaps for each priority pathogen will outline knowledge gaps, set research priorities, and guide the development of vaccines, treatments, and diagnostic tests. Moving on to the next, moon missions will also be a key theme in 2023, with the United Arab Emirates Rashid rover, NASA's Lunar Flashlight, and the Japanese Hakuto R Mission 1 all launched last year. This year will also see the Indian Space Research Organization's third moon exploring mission, Chandrayaan-3, and the first civilian trip to the moon, with 11 people embarking on a 6-day private spaceflight aboard the SpaceX rocket Starship. In April, ESA will launch its Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer (JUICE) mission, which will aim to study the environment on the giant gas planet and 3 of its moons. Next on the list, the CRISPR gene editing therapy may also see its first approval this year, following promising results from clinical trials that used the CRISPR-Cas9 system to treat beta thalassemia and sickle cell disease. The Hexagon GlowGene Autotem-cell treatment is being developed by the Massachusetts companies Vertex Pharmaceuticals and CRISPR Therapeutics, and works by collecting a person's own stem cells and using the CRISPR-Cas9 technology to edit the faulty gene, before infusing the cells back into the person. Finally, U.S. regulators have granted a license for another anti-amyloid drug, lecanemab, known commercially as Leqembi. This drug slowed down the rate of cognitive decline in a robust clinical trial and is now available to people with Alzheimer's disease. Developed by Eisai and Biogen, lecanemab is a monoclonal antibody that clears amyloid beta proteins that build up in the brain. The clinical trial included 1,795 people with early-stage Alzheimer's and showed that lecanemab slowed mental decline by 27% compared with a placebo. These are just some of the developments set to shape research in the coming year. Keep an eye out for these exciting breakthroughs and more in the world of science and technology. Thank you for watching our video on the science events to watch for in 2023. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Science Deciphered for more exciting content. We're thrilled to bring you more fascinating information about the latest developments in science and technology. So, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next one.